The Bicol University Libraries has been a hub for students and faculty to access books, journals, and other resources physically. It has served as a central place for learning, research, and community engagement in the university. However, with the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic, we face significant obstacles.
COVID-19.
Coronavirus.
COVID-19.
Despite these challenges, the dedicated librarians of Bicol University refuse to let these obstacles hinder access to information. We took the initiative to innovate and find ways to continue serving the needs of our clientele even from our homes. Out of our initiative came Ask Riza, our reference and information search assistance platform. This digital platform was designed to provide remote support, helping students and faculty access information and research guidance from wherever they are. Patrons can ask questions, seek research help, and get reliable information without physically visiting the library.
In 2021, classes in BU are in blended learning modality. With the help of Escrisa, I managed to access resources even when I'm at home.
As a frequent library user, I was really amazed how the Bicol University Library adapted during the pandemic with their online services. It really helped me, and the staff and the people in the library are really a chat away.
This initiative not only helps us cope with the pandemic, but also paved the way for future digital library services. It exemplifies how innovation and collaboration can transform challenges into opportunities. As we move forward, such innovations will continue to enhance our library's role in supporting learning and research. At the heart of it all, we remain committed of bringing unending library service for humanity.